This 2024 Jayco Seismic Luxury Series 4113 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Bowling Green, Kentucky, 42101 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Bowling Green. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, slide-out, and 106 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, outdoor entertainment, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.